15,000 BC. In the frozen wilderness, a hunter's weapon is only as strong as the bond that holds it together.
The cold has cracked the old bindings. Without the cement, the spear will fail against the thick hide.
The secret, resinous pine sap. The foundation of prehistoric chemical engineering.
The sap from the wounded pine is the strongest. It fights the frost.
The secret ingredient, hardwood ash. The chemical hardener that transforms sticky sap into solid rock.
The ash is the skeleton of the gluon. Without it, the sap remains soft like mud. Melting point activating the liquid polymer.
The fusion merging carbon and resin at high temperatures.
It's turning black. The cement is waking up.
The bond is ready. Bring the war spears before the black fire cools down.
Assembly creating the ultimate prehistoric composite weapon. Reinforcement buoys. Reinforcement forskrad. The hot glue fuses with the expanding fibers of the sinew.
Now, the stone and the wood are one body. It will not break.
Sweeter than stone. The test of the bond.
Aim for the soft skin behind the shoulderer. Strike with the weight of the mountain.
Thousands of pounds of kinetic force. The superglue absorbs the shock.
The old craftsman's paste saved our lives today. The blade stayed true.
Prehistoric survival, secured by a primitive chemical bond. The glue is the invisible thread that holds the material culture of the Stone Age together.
Everything the forest gives us has a purpose. Learn the liquids of the trees. The camp defense must be reinforced instantly.
Make the barrier sharp. The black glue will hold the spikes when the beasts jump.
The invisible weld protects the bloodline.
Portable adhesive prehistoric technology, packed for the next long march.
Where the trees bleed, man will always find his strength.
The age passes, but the bond remains stone hard. The forest reloads its resources. BC. In the wet tropical lowlands, ordinary vine bindings rot in days. Survival demands a waterproof weld.
The water is too angry! The vine knots are slipping! We are losing the food!
The chemical base, natural organic tar mixed with heavy tree sap.
Fire extracts the black soul of the bark. It fears no water.
The binder, fine mineral ash. It thickens the tar, preventing it from cracking under heavy moisture.
Waterproofing brow, creating a permanent seal against the current.
The river can fight the wood, but it cannot eat the black skin.
The ultimate test of the waterproof chemical bond.
The king of the river is inside. Pull the safety line.
Maximum structural integrity. The ancient superglue preserves the catch.
Look at the seams! Dry as a cave wall inside.
Survival is more than food. The glue must now become armor. A shield bound only by rope will fall apart under a stone axe and wood. We need the tar.
Impact distribution. The adhesive layer absorbs the structural failure.
The shield held. The raider's stone split before my wood.
Prehistoric warfare won by advanced material binding.
The black sap is stronger than the bone of my arm.
Securing the vital resources for the upcoming dry season. The civilization of the Stone Age rises on the foundation of the weld.
The feather must not shake when the wind catches the arrow tip.
Accuracy through structural stability.
When the smoke turns blue, the tar is ready to receive the ash. Remember the smell.
Engineering resistance against the fury of nature. human ingenuity locked into every joint of the settlement. The creators return to the earth. But the formula remains written in the ancient dust. The ingredients are always waiting.